Hey, today is 30 July. This is my 7th waterfall shower, so my head is still wet, and yeah, it's quite uphill. But they say that you shouldn't record here, but I don't record where the waterfall is, but here it's okay, I think. So what should I say? Nothing really new. I don't know. I stay here like now. I think it's 1 month exactly. Any changes? Not really. I don't see any real changes in my health, sadly. Maybe it's just lucky people, lucky few, 1% who get healing or something. For sure there are some, but I don't know how many. I talked with a guide, and she said, oh, it's around 1% or something like that. So I don't know even if there is some, we have to believe, because some people are programmed, they cannot believe, they have blockages, and you cannot force yourself over your trauma or blockage or something like that. So that's another thing. And what else? Nothing really new. I don't know how long I will stay here. Maybe it's better I go back to Asia and spend the rest of my life there. I'm not sure. I need like a big sign to show me I should stay here. And I don't need like heart attack or something. So I'll be tied to my bed. I mean like a subtle change that I would really see, oh yeah, this is working. So that's what I think. That's what I think. What else? It's the start of August soon. So we're gonna see what happens next month. But for this month, nothing really new. Like I would see, oh yeah, my health really changed. It didn't happen, sadly. I don't see it. So talk to you another day. 30th of July 2012, John of God, Casa, Abadiania, logging out.